Now, waiting at Mulim about the good. Wait. So we're going up together with yeah, the reception around East Africa has been great. We've been working around with another extension. So in the abaddugavu mwayiga nnyo okuwaana abazungu ne mwerabira okukwezinga abamu nti baakabi kati nze ndi waakabi mbadde waakabi for over 10 years mukyala wange yagenda okunsanga ng'era ndi waakabi so learn to appreciate other African brothers. Osanga abaana mu ghetto. Omusungu yakola bulb, omusungu yakola ebitaala, but they don't know that even traffic lights were invented by black people. So learn to praise your black brothers and accept their genius. Ndi wakabi naawe. Nazalibwa wakawempe naye nazalibwa ndi mugezi.
Oli mutuufu. Kulika ye Kenya.
Navuddeyo muganda wange.
Wabadde ogenze kola ki?
Nadde ngenze ku media tour, nagenze kulaba mikwano gyange, nadde ngenze kukuba pate, nadde ngenze kuperforminga, basically everything. Nakulaba abantu abagenda kudistributing brandi yaffe empya nsimbi, gyeyina abafaani ababadde bakuze mu Kenya netugamba tugenda tubakyalireko.
Ne musiza East Africa ng'oyagala nnyo Kenya okusingira ddala.
Wanyuma, Kenya enyuma, buli wakabi omusanga e Kenya. The other time that I was there, Nasty C aliyo, listened to Sanze Vector, signed under MI Nigeria. Nayenga Jaliba Nyashinsky, this brother Calligraph Jones is doing a good job. You see Octopizo inspiring the ghetto of Kibera. Basically Kenya yakabi ate ne internet yawe teriyo binene ebyasimanya mbu mukyakozesa VPN obambu babatemye ate eri fast kwegamba naffe tuteeka okubeera tuli switched on bwe tutyo.
Kyogamba tusubire nti Zamba ayinza okurelocatinga nadde Kenya navo Uganda.
No, I'm a Ugandan boy. I was born in Kawempe. That will never change. So even if I'm inspiring, my mind and body is always in. Omutima gwange gusigala Kawempe. Ne bwe ntambula omubiri gusobola okutambula naye omutima gwange gusigala wa Kawempe. Ne bwe ngula ennyumba nti ennyumba eri Miami, ennyumba eri wawo oguza apartment in Nairobi. Still, Kawempe is my ghetto and I must inspire my ghetto. Kawempe is home.
Okay. Yeah. Zamba olunaku lwe tuli ntinda lwe twasemba okubeerako naawe ng'oli e Muyenga ng'okola ekintu nga kino.
Yes.
Kikyoba
I think this means that we're trying to reconnect the whole hip-hop community because Zendaba hip-hop are underutilized, and it's underutilized because the rappers, when money, they have failed to build community and inspire a younger generation. But for me, I want to bring everybody that's coming up in a game to be close to me. I want everybody to trust in the brand, but supporting Net having conversations with each other. Before we used to have a place and Gabajita deviate while we were Sabrina's, where we used to just go and hang out as rappers and develop the game. I don't see between out from Uganda Yonanga Chilibwe Chitio. Kubanga bana Uganda tebo nebo bakubira ba rappers. Butibira mu kifo kunyumirwe nnyo tunyenya bunyenya mutwe wetu. So abakitandaliwo bakubira akayimba kabwe nga bazina nnyo. So DJ abaloza mbu abarapa tebanyumiddwa bannanyini w'ekifo naye ng'ate ffe that's how we enjoy. So we need spaces that are our own, and I think we're moving towards that and developing the community that is hip-hop. Kubanga barapa gye bali abanyumirwa hip-hop owakabi n'ennyimba tebakyaziwuliriza ku radio, bagenda ku Spotify, YouTube, WhatsApp, and they share them among themselves because the industry hasn't evolved a place aw'okubateeka ate nga bangi.
Ogambye nti wano abantu bali mu kugula enkofiira t-shirt naye wali okikola. Tugambe nti otandiseewo moving shop.
Oh yeah, it's called a pop-up shop for a reason. Naye ebeera reason yange okukyalira communities zaffe eza hip-hop. So the other time we were in Muyenga, we were uptown. This time we were in Tinda, which is the home. Just behind here is one of the greatest northern rappers that have ever existed. Lumix, Wanfilimu Valley Curve territory. Oliver Wanene, that's still tugenda kuba tudda side zaffe eyo Kampala tujja babuulirayo. Yes.
Tunatera okumayiza nakulabako ng'okyalira abaana ab'omukatanga n'omukyala.
Yes. Yeah, because for music waffe wakuzaamu bantu suubi. So nze ne mukyala wange tusobola kubeera nga busira tubeera mu bifo just byakabi nayagala mutwaleko mu kifo olaba abantu abamu bwe balivinga. So we visited a gentleman bamuyita Michael. Michael n'atulambuza mu Katanga n'atubuulira ebizibu by'alina ne bye bayisemu, especially mu corona, nti olaba ffe ababadde obulungi tubonaabona naye ati kati abaana abadde mu Katanga ne batubuulira ebizibu bye bayitamu, naye twagendayo ne tulya ekyemisana ne tukola art project, ne tulyako ku mmere ffenna, ne tunyumyamu n'abaana ne tuba paintinga art, ne twenyumiza stories, era tuplaninga kuddayo again because just one visitor alone is not enough to create the change. Joyagala okulaba naye abantu bebeera beetaaga consistent friends, people to inspire them. Ate twagala tukikole mu Katanga, tugende ne mu Kawempe gye nazaalibwa, we do the same thing.
Kati gwe ngalo apa ewatuuka wadiscoveringayo talent empya ento?
Not necessarily, but the use is not just to discover talent alone. Naye osanga abantu abamu nga beetaaga just kuzzaamu ssuubi omulage naawe nti wava mu kifo ng'ekyo n'omuzzaamu hope n'omugamba nti kyoyitamu tekiri different okuva nange gye natandikira. Kwanza natandikira Kawempe nange, there's no difference between Kawempe gye nava ne Katanga, there's no difference. So kugenda n'onyumya n'abantu n'obagamba nti room gy'obeeramu ate nnene n'okusinga n'eyange gye nabeerangamu. That alone is enough for people who are switched on to move forward. Then after that, nobalaga n'omukwano that they can always call you at any time and have that connection with you when they are moving something forward. Yeah.
Your last remarks ng'oyogera ku album yo?
Infinity EP eri out, osobola ogenda n'ogisanga ku Spotify, Boomplay, Deezer, whatever your flavor is, Tidal n'ebigenderako. Spear album naye ekyaliyo ku GNLZAMABA.com. You can go to GNLZAMABA.com, nsimbimusic.com, waba oyagala amawulire nga ebihappeninga wano eno ogenda ku BarboonForestENT.com. Yes. Video eddako bagiyita Isuubi basically, because tuli mu time ya holiday and it's a time to remind ourselves of what's really important. Isuubi really important. So a video eddako okufuluma, and I think we'll release it this Friday. Uganda yafe n'emirwana.
Baboon Forest and the Atari.
They're having conversations about the game and how to take it further. Oh, I can count like 4 rappers in that circle, and they're about to start rapping. So for them, okubeera ku TV oba radio, balaba nti abali ku TV tebategeera bintu byabwe bo bye baagala. Balaba nti mukuwaana bafala mubeera mubattira ekintu kyabwe. So they go underground and create their own movements. That's what they do. You can look at them over there. I bet there are people behind there talking about hip-hop, but we are all here just to commune. So the movement is really, really strong. And when you see GNL, it's because GNL is the kind of guy, nti omulaba nga ali mu mainstream. It's because it combines byonna bye baagala, n'aba mainstream bye baagala, n'aba international bye baagala. So it's a different kind of skill set there. Yes. But most of them want to remain underground.
So how do you make it? But you're still telling me about that.
Yeah.
Because you're really, really looking good.
Thank you. I think one of the things that I pride myself in is that I believe in myself. Nze ne bw'obeera ng'ensi yonna tikyanzikiririzaamu, nja kusigala nga nekkiririzaki. Nga nekkiririzaamu paka lwe ndifirayo abantu abalala banekkiririzaamu, then we move forward. So I always have the belief in myself, whether it's the clothes that I design, whether it's the movements that I inspire, whether it's the music that I write. It's all about self-belief, self-empowerment, and self-love. Yeah.
So when are you expecting like another song, another collab or what?
Oh, the next song is coming out on Friday. Akayimba kapya kafuluma ku Friday. That's it. So you don't have to wait any longer. Kayimba kapya kafuluma ku Friday, and that's it. Yeah? Bakaita Isuubi. It's about hope, it's about community, it's about humanity. So we're inspiring humanity, inspiring community, or call ebyakabi, so that we can all move forward together.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Eno si comeback for number 1 album ongera bwongezi kuwaka tujuza mu blank tulaga nti no tubasinga rank balumbisa utida tujja na tanka yes mbojjanga mbalabasa mbalagalanga kasa the legendary author King Chala mu Black Panther yenze question nze answer Emperor Mase Musa mutabani wa Mufasa udini omufusa rapper actor philosopher ngate professor Stegel yatoto wenjogeranga microphone yes sawa na somesa flow student wali abayo yete bamuonanga kansa tebamusima tukanga kusa yes oh mwana watu check 1 2 when I'm back to team back to yes Muratu Baboon Forest meet atotega na scout chali
young and restless
in this life mwati yes gwe wemputu kiboota 3 mumpulukutu nze sitesanga tuntu yes nkanga 3 yes sibuliya oyogera amasagamento Uganda gyenne musa kuba yeyampa ebyenjimusa mu Hollywood ngambadde nsawo tasinga Dr. Bosa Uyareme yekirisa n'akaloosa bwe kyuma ng'ebbina lya bawunsa ng'ekyanguwa yossa.
Don't worry.
Be happy nga pape. Sisozola busulu na invent ga masape. Yes. Yeah, chenina kugamba nti I'm very happy. I'm always happy whenever I meet the legendary G. Yes. Ekibira kyakuba wopaka kawempe ntinda Vietnam wonga. I do this for Africa, the galaxy, the Milky Way, for the million star. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes. What you talk about ogambachi. Yes, we love G. Tino gama twina verb ya tukwagala nyo kubanga oli re yange enjulu. Yes.
Much love.
Yeah.
This is called Nisha. You know, she recites all my lines every time that we meet. We always have a very, very good time. We connect through hip hop. She's a pharmacy student. So imagine the dedication it takes for a pharmacy student that connects with hip hop music and appreciates the forest and what we do for the community. I got a lot of love for you. Thank you. Namutima. Uganda yaffe. Chapa ku buli continent. Peace and love, man.
Yes. Representing.
Yo. What's up, man?
Yes.
Let me grab this mic. What's up?
Tewebuuza lwaki ntambula nanuka ku street nga rubber band.
Kampala eringa firimu mbawunsinga nga bandi emiziki njikuba okukira ebyuma bya bandi ensi yali ekola nengikozeza nga blue bandi GNL Katonda ali munze yenze bandi
Kino hip hop talivaayo
developinga
batudisinga nga fete katumanyi kino mu microphone mulimu gold
kati laba award yefe abaziwininga esimu zasozijja yefe abasmilinga emmotoka ezebbeyiga twakinga wenze ziri expensive zetusipinga.
Yo, it's crazy out here, man. It's crazy out here. You know, Baboon Forest is in the building. GNL ZAMABA, the legendary himself, is in the building. Man, how does it feel to receive all this love on this day?
Bro,
that we call it Baboon Forest Day?
I just feel so happy. I just feel so proud, so grateful that I have this many loving fans, people that always showed me love, like from day one. This song that you're listening to, that my people are singing to, is over 13 years old. So to be relevant during this time to all generations and be able to have that kind of impact, I just have to be grateful for that. So we're right here, we're liver, we're faster, we're bigger, we're stronger in CFNM did one.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. He's the main man that we've been waiting for. So earlier on, I was talking to Lyrical G. You know, he's been around. Yeah, I see MUN-G is around. I saw Baru Beats. I spoke to all those guys. And what does unity and love mean to hip hop with, you know, the orchestration of this event today that you've organized?
Oh yeah. So like unity and love, you can't move anywhere without the unity. What's failing the hip hop community is that we are the most powerful genre that has ever existed in the history of the world. Exactly. We are the most powerful people because we employ people, create entrepreneurship opportunities. We inspire people through their own history and knowledge of self. But in most communities, you find people rubbing egos so that they cannot develop. But Baboon Forest Entertainment is changing all of that, that we are working as an ecosystem of creatives and talented people moving the country forward, advancing ideas and philosophies. You know, like even with the opportunities that we create through clothing, whether it's through trading stock, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's going to be NFTs, we understand and we own to what's coming into the future because we are the ones that feed the youth.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. So, you know, this is like the first ever kind of event that has happened in our, you know, music industry.
Yes.
I would even say music industry because the industry is wide. You know what I mean?
Yes. But hip hop is better than any other genre.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I don't care.
So what does it mean to organize this kind of event, to start that trend? Because this is the second pop-up shop.
Yes.
You know, that you're organizing
this,
now. So
this is the second one of so many. Please go on.
Yeah, so this is the second one. So this trend that you've started up, what should it mean to the fellow artists out there and, you know, the hip-hop acts that are watching right now?
To me, organizing a community to come together like this. Nisha is over there. I see another rapper over there. I see a big Baboon Forest fan over there. My boys from Kawempe are here organizing. We are in Tinder right now, but I see so much love and people that come from the media all supporting hip-hop like over the years. What has been missing is community and a person that moves that unity and drives people to, you know, advance in their lives, you know, without rubbing, without, all of us can move together because this whole crabs in a bucket mentality should stop. That is what is stopping us as rappers, as black men, as black women from advancing forward. So the more that we can work together and you see this beautiful movement moving forward is the reason we do it for. You know what I mean? Like we really need that. Like for us to be able to sell records, for us to be able to organize concerts, it takes the effort of you guys in the media, it takes the effort of somebody, you know, a presenter, it takes the effort of the community from Kawempe, Ntinda. We need to put all of that together in order to make the community strong.
It's all love, man. I must commend you. You've inspired so many. You're receiving so much love right now from right, left, center. So you're looking fresh. You know, GNL ZAMABA is rocking the red carpet moment right now. He's killing it. You know, the main man of the show, Mr. CEO, Baboon Forest Entertainment.
I'm good with this profile.
Yeah, that's what's up. So right about now, we're going to go into a photo moment because you have a lot of fans that are out here and they want to take photos with you. You know, so with the benefit of time, we can go on and on. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day...
I want you over there,
so at the end of the day, let's do this. Yeah, guys, Baboon Forest, the forest is forever.
The forest is what?
The forest is forever.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's what's up. All right, man, it's good to have you on the red carpet of your own event. You know, it's been a pleasure. You know, thanks for inspiring and, you know, emulating all the elements of hip-hop and bringing people together with this unity and love. Yeah, that's what's up. I go by the names Gills Collins. It's a red carpet moment right now. BFE Hip-Hop Pop-Up Shop. Straight up.
You should not even try. I don't want to remember crying like Jesus. See determination in my eye. You go die. Fucking with the rhyme samurai. Attack! Attack! Yes, boss, feed my show. Attack! Yes, boss, feed my show. Attack! Yes, boss, feed my show. Attack! They see Annie now. Well, let's take some pictures.
All right, right now we're going to take pictures like one by one. Real quick, we're going to take one pic each because we're so many. Yeah, so, okay. The camera has to do a meet and greet and everything. Because that's the main thing. And today we have cameras, videos, we have, you know, so everything this time. The mic, both of you.
Just cold water.
Oh, cold water.
Yeah, and after Nisha to put it on a man.
Yeah, thanks for coming too. Yeah, Natu said that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have a red carpet moment, take pictures, and I'm gonna ask you a few questions about Baboon Forest and everything. Yeah, and you know how people be like, arrive later on, like from 3, 4, 5. So you have to utilize like the best to do a meet and greet and everything. Because that's the main thing. And today we have cameras, videos, we have, you know, so everything this time.